Hey there, welcome to Legend Finance. Discover the art of decluttering, turning your extras into earnings, and mastering the balance between simplicity and prosperity. Dive in and let's boost your financial game. Why sell your clutter? People sell clutter for various compelling reasons. Decluttering offers a sense of liberation, freeing up space and eliminating endless cleaning sessions. This not only makes room for more leisure time, but also boosts overall happiness. Another advantage is the potential for an extra income. Instead of simply tossing things out, you can pocket some cash from those unused items. This act also helps overcome buyer's remorse. By selling these items, you reclaim part of your investment, easing any feelings of waste. And importantly, selling ensures your items find a cherished new home. With donation centers often overflowing, many items sadly end up in landfills. Selling creates a direct connection, ensuring cherished items land with someone who values them. So converting clutter into cash is both smart and satisfying. How to sell your clutter. Tip 1. Begin with decluttering. Organize and determine what you might want to sell. Tip 2. Determine an item's worth using platforms like eBay. Simply search for your item, but don't rely on active listings. Instead, filter by sold items to see actual selling prices. Take note of item conditions and other unusual high-value items. Tip 3. Once decluttered, sort items. Use bins or boxes labeled sell, donate, and recycle. Separate items immediately to keep your space organized. And if you have kids, opt for opaque bins. Clear bins might let them see and reclaim their toys. Tip 4. Photographing items is crucial. Use a smartphone to capture clear, well-lit photos against clean backgrounds. Take multiple angles on items to give buyers a comprehensive view. And for image edits, Snapseed is a great app to enhance and adjust photos right on your phone. Tip 5. Set a selling deadline. This keeps you committed and prevents you from reclaiming the clutter. Space might dictate this. Limited storage might mean quicker selling times. Tip 6. Pick the right platform. Facebook Marketplace is excellent for bigger items, especially when avoiding shipping. Consider whether you want to handle shipping or meet buyers in person. Tip 7. Pricing matters. Research and price items competitively. Unless you're a highly rated, well-established seller, it's challenging to charge more than the market rate. Tip 8. Craft an enticing description. Provide comprehensive details about your item to preempt potential questions. Make your item sound as appealing as possible. Remember, the key to selling clutter effectively is a blend of organization, presentation, and strategic listing. Happy selling! Tips for selling clutter. Tip 8. Here's a pro tip for our community. Always highlight pet-free, smoke-free home in your listings. This small detail can make all the difference, letting potential buyers know they're getting an item that's been well cared for. Tip 9. As a community, we value transparency. While the allure of a quick sale might make exaggeration tempting, honesty builds trust and repeat customers. Always remember, even those items that aren't in mint condition, like gadgets with a few scuffs or phones with broken screens, have a market out there. Tip 10. Together, let's keep an eye on our profit margins. If you're handling shipping, remember that those costs can add up. To boost your profits, think about using envelope mailers for compact items. These can often be shipped at first-class rates, which is cost-effective. Dive into the description below for resources on free shipping supplies and weigh the pros and cons of establishing an online store. This step can trim your costs further with shipping discounts and reduce selling fees. In conclusion, let's empower each other by being strategic about how we list and price our items. Drawing from shared wisdom, these top tips aim to steer our community towards effective decluttering and rewarding sales. If this resonates with you, join us by subscribing for further insights on embracing a minimalist lifestyle, amplifying savings, and nurturing familial joy. 6 websites that will sell your clutter for you. 1. Amazon Trade-in Program. A quick overview. What it is. The Amazon Trade-in Program lets customers trade in qualifying items in exchange for an Amazon gift card. Eligible items. The program covers a wide range of products such as video games, mobile devices, Amazon devices like Kindle e-readers, and even streaming media players. The process. To use the program, you'll need to go to the Amazon Trade-in Program webpage, browse through the available trade-in categories. This could range from Kindle e-readers to cell phones. Click on the relevant category and follow the prompts. This will typically involve answering questions about the condition and specifications of your item. Amazon will provide an estimated trade-in value based on your input. If you agree to the offer, you'll need to ship your item, often for free, to Amazon for verification. Once Amazon receives and inspects your item, they will deposit the promised value into your account as an Amazon gift card. Benefits: eco-friendly. This program promotes recycling and reduces e-waste. Economically sound. Instead of letting old items gather dust, you can get monetary value for them. Convenience. The process is straightforward and often comes with free shipping. 2. Gazelle. Gazelle is an online platform specializing in buying used technology, particularly cell phones. How it works: 1. Go to Gazelle's website. 2. Click Sell. 3. Select your item category like Sell iPhone. 4. Answer questions about the device for an instant price quote. If you accept, Gazelle provides a free shipping label. Once they inspect the device, you get paid via check, PayPal, or Amazon gift card. Pros: fast offers without negotiation. Free shipping. Safe, no meetups needed. Tip: reset the device and keep the original boxes for potentially higher offers. 3. Raise. What is it? Raise is a digital platform dedicated to trading gift cards. It connects those with unused gift cards with bargain hunters seeking to buy them at a discount. How it works: visit Raise's website. List your unwanted gift cards. Set a price up to 85% of the card's value as per the site's claim. When your card is sold, you'll receive payment. Pros: transform unused gift cards into cash. Secure and user-friendly platform. Transparent fees and payout options. Tip: the more popular the store or brand, the quicker your card may sell. Ensure the card's validity before listing. 4. Declutter. Declutter is a platform to sell your tech gadgets, CDs, DVDs, video games, books, and even Legos in exchange for immediate cash. How it works: go to Declutter's website. Click on Start Selling. Search and list your item. Receive next-day payment once your item is accepted. Pros: a quick and hassle-free way to monetize Clutter. Fast next-day payment feature. Simple process for listing and selling items. Tip: ensure your items are in good condition for a better valuation. The site provides guidelines on item conditions. 5. Threado. Thread.up is an online consignment shop tailored for those looking to declutter their closet without the hassle of traditional selling. How it works: order a free clean-out kit from Thread.up's website. Fill the provided bag with high-quality, gently used clothing or accessories. Ship it to Thread.up. Convenient drop-off options include FedEx office or U.S. Postal Service locations. Thread.up takes care of the rest, from photographing to selling. Once an item sells, you earn cash or store credit. Pros: hassle-free process without the need for personal listings or photography. Convenient shipping options with the clean-out kit. A sustainable way to recycle fashion and earn from it. Tip: for best results, ensure the items you send are trendy and in excellent condition. Check Thread.up's website for their preferred brands and quality guidelines. 6. Powell's. Powell's is a renowned independent bookstore chain based in Oregon with a prominent online presence, known for buying and selling books. How it works: have a book you want to sell. Head to Powell's website. Navigate to the Sell Us Your Books section. Enter the book's ASBN into the provided form. Receive an offer based on their current demand for that title. Pros: efficient way to declutter your bookshelf. Simple process. Just enter the ISBN and get an offer. You're dealing with a reputable and well-loved bookstore. Tip: ensure your books are in good condition for a higher chance of acceptance. Popular titles or rare editions might fetch better offers. All right, Legend Finance family. We hope today's deep dive into decluttering and transforming your unused items into cash resonated with you. Every item we let go of can be a step closer to financial freedom and a simpler, more fulfilling life. If these insights brought value to your day, please consider liking this video. And for those who haven't yet joined our community, click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future adventures in finance. Remember, in every corner of our homes and lives, there might just be a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. Until our next episode, always remember to stay legendary.